living in a dark tower, getting darker by the hour. Will I wake up from a dark, dark daydream? Nothing can awake me from myself, not you or no one else. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Blaze of Plays Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any other requests in the comment section. This is a song that was requested, so it's a great song, and I love it when you guys give me requests because I haven't heard a lot of these songs, so it's a fun thing for me to learn, something new. So let's get started with this. All right, so let's readjust that just a tad. So what we're going to do here is, this song is in standard tuning and doesn't have a capo. However, this guitar, a lot of you said you like the sound better, so I am using this one, even though I usually keep it tuned a half step down, and then I just put a capo on the first fret. So if you're playing it in standard tuning, you don't have a capo on it, okay? So this song is pretty dang easy to play. I'm going to show you the chords you're going to play, where you're going to play them, and I'm going to show you how you play the intro, the strumming, the lyrics, and everything, with what lyrics and stuff. However, stick with me until the end because I'm going to show you how to play the bridge. The bridge is a little bit different, just a little bit different of a chord progression. So don't think if you just know how the verses and chorus are played that you know the whole thing, because this part's different. All right, so let's get into it. So the way you're going to play it at the beginning is you're going to start with just D. Okay, so you're palm muting it. And this if you want it to sound like super close to what they're doing on the album. So you're going to do palm mute, put this part of your hand as close as you can to right there, okay, and do. So then you're hitting the lower notes here, the high sounding notes. Those ones, okay? So you can hear that. Okay, and you're just going to play D, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? I think you do that 4 times. You go through that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now if you're doing not palm muting it, it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Real slow. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're going to play D, G, okay, E minor, A. All right, you're also going to play F sharp, okay, and so that's like this. And you're going to also play F sharp minor, which is without the middle finger down. Okay, I'm going to show you where you play all those. Okay, so the beginning of the song, you're just going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So now we're on the 3rd time, and then you go to the 4th time. You don't run away. Okay, so away is where you do G, way. Cause and then I is where you do F sharp minor, okay? I don't know where you go. So go is E minor, go. And then I is where you play A. I don't want to know. Okay, then no is D. Okay, you stay on D. Don't follow me in. Okay, me in is G, in. Cause and then I is F sharp minor, so you're repeating here. I don't know where I'm going. Okay, I'm going is G. That's right, E minor. Going. Or is A. Or how long I'll be. Okay, B is D, B. And when you get to the chorus, don't palm mute anymore, okay? So, and you're gonna want to play the chorus a little bit louder. So you stay on where I'll be. Living in, and then in, you go to G, okay? So the chorus and the chord progression is very different. The chorus chord progression is very different from the verse. So you're gonna go from D, and then go living in, so in is G, in a dark tower, getting darker by the hour. Will is D. So here, so far you're going G and then D, and then you're gonna go back to G in a second. Will I wake up from a dark, so on the first dark you do G. Dark, dark daydream, nothing can awake me from. Okay, so from is D. From myself. So self is where you do G. Self. Then you're gonna do F sharp, not you. Not you. You is F sharp. You or no. Okay, so no is A. No one else. Then else is D. And you just go right into the verse again. So then you could keep doing that for the verse and just play it more softly and try and play these high sounding notes. Okay? And then just go, don't wait for me, girl. Then girl, you do G, okay? So that part's gonna be the same. Or you could do, don't wait for me, girl. Just like that, okay? So then after you play the second chorus, so at the end of it, you'll do, not you or no, no one else. Okay, so else, at the end of this part, you're gonna end it with E minor, else. And then stay on E minor for the okay, you're gonna do okay, and you're gonna do A, D, okay, and then we'll go back again and do E minor, A, D. So you're just doing E minor, A, D, okay? And I think you can actually just be doing so you're just going to be doing E minor, A, D, and you can do just single strums if you want because it is definitely slower and softer there. But then when you go into, you're going to go from D, living, you're going to do living in a dark tower, and then you go right into that, into G on in a dark tower, getting darker by the hour, will I wake up from a dark, okay, just like that. So it's a very easy song to play. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and see me next time.